Today we are in Heath, Texas, and featuring the Heath Golf and Yacht Club neighborhood. So prepare to be wowed with this beautiful lakefront master plan community that feels as though you are living at a resort, but yet you are still close enough to get to work in downtown Dallas, just a short 25 miles away. And by the way, I have a home I just listed in the neighborhood, so if you would like to take a look at that, go ahead and check out this video over here. Are you moving here from out of state? I have a relocation booklet to help acquaint you with the Dallas area and surrounding suburbs. So just take a peek in the description below this video to find the link. So let's take a walk so you can see all the amenities in this wonderful community. From the moment you enter Heath Golf and Yacht Club, you notice right away that this is a neighborhood that's going to be special. So the first thing I wanted to do was take us through the clubhouse so that you could get a feel for what life would be like if you lived in the neighborhood. And you have a wonderful area to the right over here where you actually can come and dine, and all of those windows are overlooking the lake and is absolutely beautiful when the sun sets. This view cannot be beat. I cannot emphasize that enough. How many neighborhoods offer pools overlooking Lake Ray Hubbard? Another great feature is that you can order food poolside and they will bring it out to you. There's also plenty of seating outside, so you can go out and enjoy the view from there. You'll also notice there are several fire pits, so when it starts getting cool outside, you can still enjoy the beauty and the warmth of the fire. If you're looking to burn off some energy, you can always head down to the sand volleyball, which is a regulation size court. The community also offers these boat slips, so if you want to go fish, there was somebody there today that was fishing and had pulled into one of the boat slips. You'll notice the tennis courts in the background, and we will head over there here in just a few minutes. So there you have it, sunset views, which doesn't even do it justice, and take a look at this magnificent aerial view. You don't even have to leave your community to work out. You've got a built-in fitness center right there in the club. There are numerous tennis courts as well as a pro shop that offers lessons and leagues, so lots of fun things to do there. So let's talk about this golf course. It is an 18-hole championship private golf course. It is only available to members and their guests. So even if you buy a home in the neighborhood, there is still an additional membership that you would need to purchase in order to golf. The golf course runs through the neighborhood, so there will be homes that have golf course views. So this neighborhood provides you so many things. You can have a golf course view, or you can have a lake view. There is so much beautiful nature that you can enjoy and appreciate. Tell me in the comments below, would you rather have a golf view or a lake view? I love these aerial views because it shows just how expansive this neighborhood is. So let's go take a tour through the neighborhood. I want you to see the different types of homes that are being built. The great thing about this area is that you can have a custom builder come in and build a home for you, or there are several builders that are available, or you can buy an existing home. The homes currently in the neighborhood are listed between $475,000 and go all the way to $2.5 million. I want you to look really carefully over to the right. You are going to see Lake Ray Hubbard, and so these homes to the left are going to be facing out onto the lake, and you notice how they're building up the homes with balconies so that they can look over and see the beautiful view. So we're going to swing around now, and the lake is going to be on the left side of the road. These are premium lakeside lots. So as you can see, there's still some available. These lots are a little over half an acre, and you do have direct access. The lake is directly behind your home. This home right here is currently listed for just under $2.5 million. To give you some more options in case $2.5 million is a little steep for you, how about we take a look at these pre-existing homes? I actually just listed this property right here, and it is listed for $490,000. It was built in 2018 and is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. I believe I mentioned at the beginning of this video that I do have a link for the home tour of this property. So if you're interested in seeing this home, go ahead and look for the link in the description. They began building homes in this neighborhood in 2016, but as you can see, they're still building, and what you are seeing here is you have such a variety. You have contemporary homes in addition to traditional homes. So there's really something for everyone. So what do you think? If you're looking for a neighborhood with upscale amenities without breaking the bank, I don't know how you can get much better than this. Golf, clubhouse and pool overlooking the lake, tennis courts, fitness center, volleyball, miles of walking trails, and sunset views over Lake Ray Hubbard. This is a neighborhood not to be missed.